Let's start your ice maker journey. We'll unbox it, explore the key parts, and guide you through the important 24-hour setup before first use. First up, check if the box looks good. Open it up and check out your new ice maker. Place the machine on a flat surface and let it sit for 24 hours before using it. Meanwhile, you may inspect the accessories. You'll find an ice scoop, an ice bin, 4 cleaners, and a manual in the box. If anything's missing or you run out later, just hit up customer service. Wipe the exterior with a dry cloth. Remove the ice bin and clean it with warm water and a soft cloth. Pour in filter water, plug in the unit, and long press the power button to start the 15-minute cleaning cycle. Unplug the unit, remove the drain plug, and drain all water from the machine. After draining, put the drain plug back in. Your Nugget ice maker is now ready to use. Maintain 6 inches of clearance around the machine. For the best performance, use it in a room between 59 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the ice bin and fill the water reservoir. Place the ice bin back in and plug in the machine. Go ahead and press the power button to get things started. Your ice maker will now begin creating ice. Watch as the ice piles up, filling your bin to the top. Once the bin is full, the ice full light will turn on. Just open the door, take out the ice you need, and your machine will get right back to work. This machine is not insulated, so ice stored inside will gradually melt. For long-term storage, just pop it in your freezer. Press power once to begin the ice making process. You'll see the ring of blue light surrounding the button remain steadily lit. If you need to stop making ice, just press the power button again. Long press the power button for 3 seconds to begin self-cleaning mode. Clean will light up. To stop, just press power again. When the water reservoir is empty, the add water light will illuminate and the machine will stop making ice. When the ice bin is full, the ice full light will turn on and the machine will stop making ice. We hope you found this video helpful. Looking for more inspiration or have any questions? Visit EUHOMY.com and connect with us anytime.